Hey, it's Allison with Nurturing Readers. I want to share with you some of our newest in nonfiction that PaperPie has to offer. So let's start with our babies. This is my first words out and about. Well, this is such a great tool to teach your kids those vocabulary words that they're going to see in their everyday lives. I love the bright pictures as they explore the pages in this delightful board book. This is definitely one that you will love having on your shelf. We also have a brand new series called Pop-Up Vehicles. There's 4 in this series. Here's 2 of them, Let's Sail and Let's Fly, but each of these focuses on a different learning piece that our young ones need, like colors and opposites. In this case, I love that the vehicles in these pop off the page to make this super engaging. You can see they're going to learn all about the colors in this one. This is great for ages 18 months and older. And we have a brand new one in our Nibbles series. Hands down, Nibbles is one of our favorite characters that we have. And Nibbles is awesome. He's a book monster and he nibbles his way through books. And in this case, your kid's going to learn all about the different shapes as he nibbles through circles, squares, stars. And he's even munched one extra special shape just for you. And in true Nibbles fashion, he escapes. Once again, we absolutely love every title in that series. Another series we love is Step Inside Science. This is the newest weather. There's something about weather books and body books, like my kids can't get enough. They love every single title that has to do with that topic. Now this one is really cool and laid out. There's cutouts. I love that it's board-like pages. Great introduction to weather. They get to hear about how thunder roars and lightning flashes. They get to step inside the wild world of weather to find out why it all happens, from a rainbow and all the different things. I love that there's a QR code on the back with quick links to see videos of the weather as well. We love books that help us learn and are interactive too, and we have a new series called Usborne Slider Sound Books that help us do just that. These are really cool because they have slides in here that help make the animal noises like this. And when you slide it the other way, it makes a noise too. How cool is that? Your animal lover will read this one again and again. Now we have a new one in our Animal Magic series. This is in the night, so you get to learn all about nocturnal creatures as they change before your eyes. And so here's one, and how it truly is magic when they change. We absolutely love this series. Your kids will love flipping through those pages. Now we have 2 new ones in our top-selling series, Shine a Light. We've now got Backyard Bugs and Nighttime. These are both great new additions to our Shine a Light series. I love all the good information in these. This one's all about the nighttime. And as you turn the pages, you can, I usually use my phone, but you use a flashlight and see what's hidden behind. So in this truck, there's boxes, and then you can learn more information on the next page about it. So fun. These are perfect to take with you if you're going on a camping trip, or maybe just reading in the dark at night. We love our flat books, and we have so many for all different ages. One of our favorite series is our Peek Inside series. This is great for the toddlers. This is our newest, The Pond. What's awesome is these have board pages, thicker flaps for our little ones who can be rough around books. They get to learn all about the wiggly, splashy, croaky things that live in a pond. This one is absolutely great to have on your shelf. Now we have 2 new ones in our Lift the Flap Very First Questions and Answers series. These are great if you have kids who have tons of questions, which we know we all go through that stage. So this is What is Mud and Why do I sometimes feel sad? This really breaks down the question in really great ways, like what is it, but also why do we need mud and what can we do to help mud? I love all the flaps in here. So great, laid out, awesome, and your kids will love reading all the information in there. We love our Look Inside series because there's flaps within flaps. This actually has like over 100 flaps. This one's our newest, all about the zoo, which we love the zoo. And as you go through here, you get to take a deep dive into all the different areas like the penguins and the giraffes and the tropical life, and even one of our favorites, the gorillas. And so we absolutely love this new title. And one of the things that's great about flaps is they help you retain information, especially when it's complex, like with genes and DNA. This is our See Inside series, which is great for our older readers, but we absolutely loved reading this one with my 7 and my 9-year-old because The information was just broken down in a really attainable way. And what was great is we had awesome conversations because I'm actually an identical twin. And so that topic came up as we read through the different information in this one, and it was just fascinating. So highly recommend, you definitely want to check this new one out. If you have an animal lover, you definitely need to check out these next titles. We now have The Wildlife of Animals. This is laid out in a really fun way with all the different facts. There's crazy facts like a panda and how it actually will sometimes pee upside down to mark its territory. That'll surely get your kids laughing. But I love how they get to learn about the different habitats like the Arctic, the desert, the grasslands, and how the different animals survive in all those different places. So fascinating. You'll definitely want to check that one out. We have a new one in our life-size series. This is Life-Size Deadly Animals. We absolutely love this series because you get to compare your size to the different animals, like the lion's tongue. And then my favorite in this one is the jaw of the shark. Not only is it deadly, but it's a little scary as well. But you definitely want this one on your shelf.